Sanmonani, and welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting takes when it comes to Uthando Nesthembu and other reality shows. But in this video there was an interesting conversation that happened on Facebook where a person created a post saying that they choose uSiyacela over Umpumelelo Mseleku. Let us see what the lady actually said, and then let's look at some of the responses that she got. Unowazi-ke uthi ubani ongcono uSiyacela noma Umpumelelo? Mina ngithi uSiyacela cause wamshada uThando kunoMpumelelo ozalisayo bese eyadelela anqabe neinkomo ekubeni uthembisile. Ungcono uSiyacela cause uhlanya emshadweni. Waseke ugelo wabantu wayicelela njengesihle bakithi wathi nje cela singamthuki ngoba umbono wakhe. Wagxuma-ke wahlala u-Anonymous wathi akamshadanga, walotsholelwa uDlamuka. Nomseleku naye wayefuna ukumlobolela uMpumelelo wanqaba uMayeni. And then uMaZulu wathi akekho nje ongcono, ziyafana zombili. And then uThando wathi cha, noma senimzonda umntaka Mseleku ngeke afane noSiyacela kahleni bo. Umpumelelo akaganiwe, ingane nje esemjolweni futhi ufana nabo bonke abafana esibaziyo, futhi ungcono kwabaningi nje, ingane zakhe akaziphiki kahle nje. uFeminine wena uthi akekho ongcono, both zizithuphethu. uNomathemba uthi ungcono nje uSiyacela kuneBhubesi. uAnonymous athi hayi mntase akhonto ingcono ngoba uhlukumezekile uThando, kungcono lo owaboniswa kuse-early uba uyageza uMpumelelo because if wayemshadile uVuyo wayezomhlukumeza, kungcono ngoku ngoba wamkhulula uVuyo. uPretty yena uthi kungcono kabi odlala ngento ayithengile kunodlala ngento yesikoloto. And then uMbalenhle athi hayi bayafana kodwa ungcono uMpumelelo. And then uMamtolo athi ungcono uSiyacela ngoba akuwona amandla akhe, walotsholelwa uyise, ngisho iringi yomshado akayazi nokuthi imalini esitolo, yikho ehlukumeza umfazi ngoba akamjulukelanga, yonke into wayenzelwa uyise. uNhlekza yena uthi ngikhetha iBhubesi ngoba liyayimela into yalo, lasho lathi lizoqala ngeVirgin, basala abasalayo bayincenga. uSiyacela walotsholelwa uyise futhi unenhlamba akahloniphi enjalo. And then uLondi uthi sithuphethu walotsholelwa akekho ongcono. uSemi uthi yena ungcono vele lokhu kokulotsholelwa ngoba vele nakudala babelotsholelwa ubaba babo. Bese-ke yaqhubeka-ke eyachaza-ke uSemi about why babekwazi ukulobolela iy'ngane zabo. But guys, this whole conversation was just so interesting. Makusakhona abantu besifazane abacabanga kanje bafethu, ngiyanitshela iGBV kusekude ukuthi iphele. Hayibo bafethu, marriage is not an achievement, especially in 2025. How do you justify choosing a boy engondli unkosikazi wayo, ehlukumezayo, edelelayo, engasebenzi, engafuni ukwenza lutho, ethuka abantu abadala, especially komndeni wakhe, engafuni nje ukuthi iqondise izinto, ifixe iy'nkinga zayo, elalana nama-relatives ayo, ephuzayo, enza nje izinto ezingasile bafethu. And angisho ukuthi uSibindi is a good guy or what not, but uyahlonipha for the most part, uyondla, uyazisebenza, uthi akaphuzi but ngeke sazi okwangempela, futhi asikazi sizwe kuthiwa uSibindi ubeke umuntu wesifazane isandla or wathreathina ukubeka umuntu wesifazane isandla. So nje ngeke guyzini, and I'm just wondering ukuthi kazi lo sisi uneminyaka emingaki, because this can't be a person in her 20s thinking like this, especially in 2025. Ebona isimo nje sibheda, amadoda nje bheda nje. How can they think like this unless she's like an older lady osacabanga njengesidala vele ukuthi umshado nje that's what you strive for, masutholile nje uyabekezela ngisho noma kubheda. But I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please be sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.